Alright, today I want to show you my favorite stitch. This is the split single crochet stitch. It is also known as the waistcoat stitch or the knit stitch. One thing about this stitch is that if you crochet really tightly, it can be really hard to do this stitch. So I'm going to give you some tips today on how to crochet this stitch a little bit more loosely so that each time you do a round, you're not crocheting into the really tight stitches the next round. So this stitch, here's an example of it on like a bigger thing. It's got these really straight rows, which makes it really good for color changes. So that's why I mainly use it. It's really good for working in the round, like on things like a sweater or a sock or whatever. But this is a sweater that I made using it, and I think that because of the like straight lines, the thing that makes it look knitted, it makes color changes look so good. So how you do this stitch is it's normally with like a single crochet, you would just single crochet into the next stitch right here. But with a split single crochet, what you're actually going to do is crochet into this V shape between stitches. So you'll go ahead and put your hook through that V shape, you'll pull up a loop, and then you will just finish your single crochet like normal. So if you crocheted the previous round too tightly, your V shapes are going to be really small and it's going to be really hard to push your hook through here. So a trick you can use for that is you can put your hook where it's supposed to be going through, and then you can actually turn your work and look at the back side, and you can see this T shape here. Here's the top of the T and there's the bottom. If you pull that T shape and open the stitch, then your hook can come through a lot easier. So that's like kind of a trick. If you did your previous round too tightly, then you can do that. Another trick is, in order to prevent you from doing it too tightly, you can see right now this stitch is pulled all the way down and it's not as tall as the stitch next to it. All you have to do is pull this left side up to be equal with this right side, and then you can pull through both. And that's how you keep your stitches loose. And if you do that on your rounds, then your next round will be loose for you already, and that's exactly what we want. One last little tip for you guys. If your stitches are not too tight, but it's just kind of like hard for you to push the hook through, one thing you can do is place your finger on the back of the stitch. And then when you push on the stitch, it'll just give it more support for your hook to come through. So those are my tricks for doing the split single crochet. Again, this is my favorite stitch. It's just so good looking, and it's especially good looking for color changes. So please go and try this stitch out. Try out these tips and tricks to help you with it. A lot of people kind of hate on it because it, can be really frustrating if you don't do these things. Thank you so much for watching this video and give this stitch a try. If you like this tutorial, go subscribe to my page. I want to show you all the cool things about crochet. Happy crochet!